Now let's see the concept of full subtractor. Full subtractor. In the before concept, we will see the half subtractor and its limitations for the half subtractor. Now we will see the full subtractor. This full subtractor is a combinational circuit used to perform subtraction among 3 bits. Right? Full subtractor is a combinational circuit used to perform subtraction among 3 bits. I already told you the half subtractor. Now in this full subtractor we will see the truth table block diagram and the logic diagram as well as the K-map for the full subtractor. This full subtractor is used in the practical purposes as compared to the half subtractor. There will be the disadvantage will be there in the half subtractor, that will be the multi-digit subtraction is not possible in the half subtractor. In this full subtractor, multi-digit subtraction is possible. Now let's see the block diagram for the full subtractor. Block diagram. This will be the full subtractor. This will be the input A, input B. This will be the input C. In some cases they will be taken as borrow or B. In some cases they will be taken as C. Now another 2 outputs will be there. That will be the one for the borrow, another for the difference. Now let's do the truth table for the full subtractor. That will be the, if you take inputs, this will be the outputs. You know, input be the A, B and C, difference as well as borrow. Three input combination means you will get the 7 or 8 different type of outputs. That will be the 000, 001, 010, 011, 100, 101, 110 and finally 111. You already know that 0 minus 0 minus 0, you will get the difference as 0 and the borrow will be the 0. If you take the 0 minus 0, you will get the difference as 0 and the borrow will be the 0. Here 0 minus 1 means you will get the difference as 1 and the borrow will be the 1. In the same case, if you take 0 minus 1 means difference will be the 1 and the borrow will be the 1. And here 0 minus 1, that means difference will be the 1 and you have to take the borrow as 1. Difference will be the 1, right? Here take another pen, difference will be the 1, right? Here 1 minus 1, that will be the 0, hence difference will be the 0 and the borrow will be the 1. And the next 1 0 0, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, you will get the difference as 1. You need not to take any borrow, hence the borrow will be the 0. Here 1 minus 0, that will be the 1. You can't take the borrow. Here you will get the 1, hence 1 minus 1 will be the 0. 0 0. Sorry, 1 minus 0 1, right? Difference will be the 1, borrow will be the 0. And here 1 minus 1, difference will be the 0, borrow will be the 0. Here this will be the 0, right? Here you can see 1 minus 0, you will get the difference will be the 1 and borrow will be the 0. Here you have 1, here you have 1, 1 minus 1, they both are cancelled each other, you will get the difference as 0 and the borrow as 0. And here if you take the triple 1, that means you will get the difference as 1 and borrow as 1. Let's do the K-map for this difference. K-map for difference. A, B, C. Here you can take 0, here you can take 1. This will be the 0, 0, 0, 1, and here this will be the 1, 1, and here this will be the 1, 0. Here you can observe difference means this. You can clearly see 000 means you get the difference as 0. 001 means you will get the difference as 1. 011 means you will get the difference as 0. And 010 means you will get the difference as 1. Here you can see 100 means difference as 1. Here 101 means you will get the difference as 0. And here 111 means you will get the difference as 1. Here 110 means you will get the difference as 0. Here the mapping will be like this, 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 this and this. You already know that this will be the A bar, this will be the A, this will be the B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C, this will be the B, C bar. This will be just like a checkerboard configuration. Checkerboard configuration means just like an XOR gate. Hence the difference will be the, if you take this, you will get the A bar, B bar, C. Plus if you take this A bar, B, C bar. Plus if you take this, you will get the A, B bar, C bar. If you take this, you will get the A, B, C. This will be just like an XOR gate. That means this will become the A XOR B XOR C. Now let's see the K-map for borrow. K-map for borrow. And here you can see this will be the A, this will be the B, C. 0, 1. Here you can see 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. Right? Here you can observe, if you take 000, you will get the borrow as 0, and you can take 001 means you will get the borrow as 1, and If you take 011 means you will get the borrow as 1. 010 means you will get the borrow as 1. And here 100 means you will get the borrow as 0. 101 means you will get the borrow as 0. And here 111 means you will get the borrow as 1. And 110 means you will get the borrow as 0. This mapping will be like this, just like in pair mapping. Let's do the K-map for this. This will become the A bar and this will become the A. And here this will be the B bar C bar. This will become the B bar C. This will become the BC. This will become the BC bar. Now let's see the borrow output. Borrow output will be the, this will become the, here A bar will be common. Here you can see B plus B bar will become the 1. C plus C is equal to C. A bar C plus, here you can observe, here also A bar common. And here you can see B plus B will be the B and C plus C bar is equal to 1. Hence A bar B plus, here you can see A plus A bar is equal to 1. And here this will become the B C. Now let's see the what will be there in this half subtractor block diagram. Now let's see the logic diagram. Logic diagram. Here you can simply take, this will be the A. If you take simply taken as inverter, this will become the A bar, and here this will be the B, and here this will be the C. Now you can clearly observe that will be the difference. Output will be the A XOR B XOR C. That means here you can see this will become the XOR gate. This will be the difference, right? And here next we will take the borrow. Borrow means A bar C, A bar C, and next A bar B, A bar B, next BC, BC. This will be given to the OR gate. This will become the borrow. This will be the logic diagram for the full subtractor. This will be the K-map for the full subtractor, and this will be the truth table for the full subtractor. And next concept we will see the implement of half subtractor using the full subtractor. How many half subtractor will be required to implement the full subtractor? Thank you.